Hey yo, Dom. Hey yo. Everybody's been wondering like when our next shit's gonna drop.
It's gonna be out soon, brother.
Is it going to be the greatest though?
It's gonna be the greatest for sure.
So when's it coming out? Like now.
I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. Word at my lowest. Yeah, I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. I know my lowest. Yeah, I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. I know my lowest. Yeah, I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. I know my word at my lowest.
If you want a taste of hip-hop, then homie, I'm the demo. Give you golden bars like my first name was Esco. Catch me in my block with my homies eating Cheetos. Catch me in the booth slapping beats like mosquitos. Up and with the same ambition, the same mission, with a different vision, a different version of me. Whom I set out to be the greatest MC on the MIC. Yeah, I struggle a lot, but nobody knows. They only see the outcome of the blood on the floor, but we reap what we sow. So finally behold, the anonymous rapper story's finally told. I'm a little bit mental, make you mentally scared. Never challenge life if you ain't mentally prepared. Most of them are victim infected by people they can't. Cause words are a weapon that can cut through your head. No hoi Q, keep doing what you wanna do. I rhyme so sick cause my flow I like the flu. The illest, giving you the coldest bars. Now at you, for the haters karma comes right back at you. I'm like what's not like the type and if I do ask your blood type. Cause you're gonna come out bleeding with an numb mouth. Feeling I'ma go out saying you got knock out Brian. So welcome to my city where hip hop is relevant. The truth doesn't matter here cause people are ignorant. Social media destroying the mindsets of innocent. A country where we are divided by our religion.
I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. Word at my lowest. Yeah, I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. I know my lowest. Yeah, I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. I know my lowest. Yeah, I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. I know my word at my lowest.
My mind pillage.
My mind pillage under my tutelage. Since legit, been too legit. Imagine all the things that we did. Some we take to the graves and some to the ears of those who relate. To those who give and not take. Yes, I slide in the slip of the night. I prophesize to put the cup to the right. I left for what's right. The masses decide when y'all get revived. I hope you don't mind if I capture your mind to feel all these lines. Cause fully sown the cloud, you hold the garden, growing your reaper done. The thoughts provoke like lethal guns. To shoot the ones with zippy tongues and hung the ones who minds are done. To teach you thought the heart you own in yours. Until it's wrong but easy though. The stereo, the fate he shows an island. Even though the preacher knows he has his highs and lows. As ego goes, no ego trips will save your soul. The poet broken soul with a poet in his core. Poem in the way he flows, both palms in. Asking for an answer, he already knows. He said you shouldn't listen to Big Ol' Pac. You know that heavy soul, but gladly so he chose a different road. The yellow road, better know my boss make 10 men move. My word craft, Ice Cube with a pen in the booth. I make it ruthless with an attitude. Lying, cheating dudes, that's a reason why you lie about Lincoln. While I'm stomping you with my boots in the booth. Don't need to be in no MTV to know that I hustle, but let it return. All the caps and gowns, disguise the slice to food the town. But down with pride, but tell me how you down to fight. But it comes down to a few rupees, even your head has a price.
I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. Word at my lowest. Yeah, I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. I know my lowest. Yeah, I wanna be the greatest, speaking the truth. I know my lowest.